calling to pick her up. I'm gonna get my... Yeah, I'm gonna change my jacket because this one is a holy macaroon. Look, the dog like rip it, rip. She been like eating my jacket, even my pajama. That's what she does. Eat pajama, eat the thing. Hi, Hobbs. Hi, baby. It's dark in here. Why you in the dark? Why you in the dark, baby? To show it. They've been, the cats. It's been like freaking out when we leave the house because the dog always go upstairs. I'm making pasta. Pasta. How do you call this kind of pasta?
Noodles.
I know pasta is noodles.
No, this is
just plain noodles. You put cream.
That's it. Sour cream. Grated cheese.
Butter. Shredded cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Pepper, salt, garlic, whatever. Next. So. Contaminated. Flour, egg. Put it here. It's a mess. Every time a guy cooks something, it's a mess. Look at this. Flour everywhere. But he put oil, garlic, lemon juice, wine, and plus there's a lot of spices in this flour here. Oh, it's already, hun. This is egg. How many egg you put here, hun? 4, 5, 4 and 5, so 9 all. We're gonna eat all this tonight. Look at this guy. Look, we're gonna eat all this.
No, you're gonna have leftovers.
Hi, Tommy. Hi.
I look like hell.
Say hi. I did something, guys. I comment on my last video. If you guys, if you have some question, you can. I always read all your comments and reply. If you have some question about, anything about me, my husband, story like that, I will answer you guys through video. I'm gonna make a video for that, and yeah. If you have question, but if you don't have question, it's okay. Hi, Dimples. You're snoring. You were snoring. Sleepy heads. You guys are sleepy head. Hi guys. Hi guys. My husband is driving. We're going to Stop and Shop, right? Stop and Shop to get some cake because my sister-in-law is going to have dinner in the house. Well, just really us, right? It's not really a lot. So it's just the 4 of us and then the baby. Hi, look what I have right here, guys. I put it on for today because I feel bloated. Maybe it will help me. Because it's like I never have digestion properly. It's just have bloated the whole time. Look at guys, the 2 cats are waiting for food because daddy is carrying some turkeys. Turkeys. Hi guys, are you hungry again? Hubs is just
We don't even know if they ate our food. The dogs ate it.
I think the dog ate it. That's why Hubs has been crying while I'm editing the video. I guess he's hungry. Look at that.
More.
I'm gonna take some turkey out from the freezer.
No. Down.
She gets so excited. My lifetime asked me comment on YouTube. My last video, she comment She said she have to ask me something if I don't mind. When did I start YouTube? I opened my YouTube channel, I think Feb 2013, and but I don't upload any videos yet. If you have more question, ask me, leave a comment down below, and I will answer you guys. Did you see the sleepyhead? Sleepyhead! Sleepyhead is moving his skin. Yes! It's sleepyhead! Mama is going to be making noises here and here and there. Like, look at your eyes. It's so big. I love you so much. Anyway, guys, it's very cold. I'm in my room and it is very, very, very cold. And I just want to update you something again because about the house. I told you about the house that I have a closing the end of December, but it doesn't happen, guys. So, but uh, when we send the contract to our lawyer and the lawyer pass it to the seller's lawyer, and so and the seller's lawyer pass it to the seller, so the seller doesn't sign the papers for like I think 2 weeks, and then we called our agent what's going on, and the agent called them, and then the agent called us back to notify us that they got the contract and they're reading it, the la 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 la. And then the next day we said that the agent called us again that I don't know what day is that, I think before Christmas or after, before Christmas, that the seller signed the contract and they will send it to their lawyer and their lawyer send it to our lawyer, like that. And then we still don't hear anything, but probably because it's holiday. And then my husband called the other day to our lawyer and he doesn't answer, and it's his office, so I bet he's in vacation or something, because you know it's a holiday thing. We pass our contract as soon as possible to our loan. The loan said we're probably January 14 or 15, but I'm not expecting anything that early. He loves me back, right, Hobbs? You love Mama's back. You love me so much too, baby. Sorry. You can go to sleep now. This dog, I let the dog in. I let the dog in. Oh, 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 oh. You can't attack your sister, idiot. Do you want to get out? Come down here. Come here. Do you want to get out? Come. Let's go. Let's go. Look, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. You're excited. Okay. Box is over here. This is from Christmas. Okay. You guys excited? 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 Look at this. And guys, I would like to thank you so much who shared my video. Yes, I really thank you so much. And yeah, I found a lot of my YouTube when I go into my channel. There's a lot of shares, like people does. Like, thank you so much, guys. I don't know who you are, but my subscribers, normally it's you guys watching my channel. Thank you for sharing it. Happy New Year to all of you, and see you in my new house. um you know if God willing, soon he'll give it to us. That's it, guys. Happy New Year. I will see you next time. Bye.